Hey, guys. Happy New Year, guys. What a blessing it is for all of us to be here healthy and strong. I'm on the beautiful beach. You guys know I love the beach and the tropical, beautiful Bahamas. It's a beautiful day here, January 1st, 2021. And guys, if you're new to me, welcome to my channel for the first time. Please, at the end, subscribe, like, and share, and leave me a comment. I certainly do respond to all comments. And guys, just real quick, as I'm enjoying the beautiful beach here, beautiful day, I just drop in to say that it is a new year. Let's make this year the best year ever. And how do you do that? By starting afresh, starting anew. You know, we all can be sad about something in our lives. We all can just worry ourselves to death about the bills, about problems, because problems are everywhere and life do happens to us. But I say to you that instead of doing that, choose to think a different thought. You see, it's in our thoughts. Our thoughts create our feelings. Yes. And your feelings is your state. It's a state that you are in. How you feeling throughout the day. It is your state. And you are responsible for that. And when you understand that you are responsible for the state that you are in all day long, then it makes you think twice about the thoughts that you think. Why would you want to think a sad thought? Why would you want to think a thought that makes you feel discouraged, fear? And we know what fear is, yeah? We know that fear is false evidence appearing real. That's what fear is. And I spoke about fear in one of my videos about that. Fear is an emotion, the very same way love is an emotion. Gratitude is an emotion. Joy is an emotion. Laughing brings on a happy emotion. And so, guys, it is a choice that we make each day, each second of our lives. It's a choice we make. You don't need any money to come on the beach if your bills are due. I didn't pay anything to come on the beach. If you don't have a beach, go and walk down your block in nature. That doesn't cost anything. You see, and so throughout my lifetime, at this present moment, as this new year has begun, I have truly decided that I'm going to be responsible for the thoughts that I think. I am truly going to be responsible for the way I feel. I am very aware of how I feel throughout the 24 hours that is in the day. I am very aware of how I'm feeling. And what I would say to you as the new year has begun, get a new book and start to journal. Start to journal and write down goals that you have for yourself for this year. Start anew, guys. Start anew. Start by placing things that you haven't done in your life for the year past. I don't want to even call the name of the year. I want us to forget about last year, because it's a new year, guys, and we just want to go into this year starting anew. For me, I have started a lot of stuff in last year that I will now 10x, yeah, and so I have started implementing new empowering habits, and I will just 10x those habits. I have started learning how to make money online. I will now 10x that skill. I've learned a skill of I always like to speak, but with practice, my speaking skills have become better. And so, guys, I will continue to do that and continue to bring you guys a video every day. And I'm here on the beach, just having an amazing. You can see the water. You can see how beautiful it is, guys. There's quite a few people on the beach today, January 1st, New Year's Day. There are people on the beach. My daughter is here. There are people. It's really a beautiful day. We all actually went in the water today. The other day was so rough I wasn't able to get in. But today I'm able to. I went in and just having a beautiful time. It's beautiful. The sun is out and it's an amazing day. Guys, it's a choice we make. Guys, we make a choice in our lives if we want to be sad or if we want to be happy. We make a choice in our lives if we're going to laugh out loud or we're going to choose to frown. We choose if we're going to stick our chest up and be happy or we're going to slump over and be sad. Because fear and sadness is an emotion, guys. And joy and happiness and laughter is also the same emotion. But you have to choose. It is about you choosing. And guys, I say to you, this is a new year. Make this year your best year ever. And how do you do that? Start implementing new habits, new routines. Because with everything, guys, you have to do it consistently, over and over and over until you perfect that skill. And so a habit is just something you do over and over. Yeah, like the habits you have right now. If you smoke every day. If you drink every day. If you drink coffee, you drink a couple cups of coffee every day. And so, God, lots of people are coming out on the beach, guys. It's so beautiful. Lots of people are coming out to picnic on the beach. And it is just a beautiful day. It's January 1st, guys. And here in the beautiful tropical Bahamas, I am sitting on the beach. I'm on the beach, guys. I am blessed. And I know that I am blessed. And I just want to share with you just how to make 2021 your best year ever. Yes, you have old bills that are due from 2020. But make 2021 better by not forgetting it, but don't bring it over into 2021. Just release that all your bills are being paid with ease, on time, and with overflow. Just every day keep saying that. And when you release that, those words are going to go out in the universe, and God, the divine universe, whatever you call it, will go out and find ways of bringing resources to you. I promise you. So guys, as I get ready to go, I wish you so much blessings for this new year. I wish you prosperity in your life. I wish you everything that your heart desire. I don't know what that is, but whatever it is, I wish that for you. And I send you a lot of love and light. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please now help me grow. It's 2021 and I'm going full force to grow my channel. And I ask you to help me do that by sharing my videos. I have so many videos. I strive to inspire you, to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just be transformed the way I have transformed my life. And so guys, as I go, I leave other videos popping up. Keep watching, interact with me, leave me a comment, turn your notifications on so you know when I drop a video, which I do every day. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. I send you love and light. It's your girl, Georgette. Bye-bye. Mwah.